Hello my dear student, I hope you all are doing well. So I welcome you in our geography class, and today we are going to discuss lesson number 5, natural and man-made disaster. And today our topic is case study of earthquake in Nepal. So let's watch the video. An earthquake, which is a sudden movement or shaking of the earth's crust, occurs more frequently than other natural disasters. Earthquake is a violent tremors in the earth crust, sending out a series of shock and aftershock waves in all directions from its focus. Earthquakes constitute one of the most terrible natural hazards, which often turns into disaster, causing extensive devastation and loss of human lives and their properties. Such a devastating earthquake struck Nepal on 25th of April 2015. Nepal is a small country and lies to the north of India. This powerful earthquake was felt in Nepal, China, India and Bangladesh. The epicenter of earthquake was about 60 km away from Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal. The epicenter of quake was the Barpak area in the Gorkha district, which is 60 km to the northwest of Kathmandu. The intensity of earthquake was recorded 7.8 on Richter scale. A major part of Nepal is in the Himalaya mountains. This region is highly prone to earthquakes. Earthquakes of Nepal and India along the Himalayan belts were caused mainly due to collision of Indian plate and Eurasian plate. The earthquake of Nepal in 2015 had many impacts. The capital of Nepal, Kathmandu, situated in this area, was shifted about 3 meters toward the south. The villages near the focus were worst affected, and there was a great loss of property, especially affecting the low building structures. More than 9,000 people died and about 22,000 people were injured. Most of them were seriously. About 6 million people were affected and many families in the affected areas were left homeless. The earthquake resulted in the significant loss of standing crops, wheat, barley and potato. It also damaged additional food storage facility, reducing already limited storage. Water supplies were severely affected, increasing public health risks, including the spread of wash-related disease. Key infrastructure, including schools, health facilities, access roads, temples, and heritage sites, were damaged or destroyed. Over 1,000 health facilities were destroyed or severely damaged, including primary healthcare centers, village health posts, and birthing centers. Many historical temples, heritage buildings, transport and communication infrastructures were damaged. Some of them are the Darbar Square, the Pashupatinath Temple, and Swambhunath Stupa. Some 1 million children were unable to return to schools when classes resumed at the end of May, as most of the schools were destroyed. Earthquake damaged forest resources in many districts. According to an assessment, mainly pine forest and the subtemperate type of forest were highly affected. The Environment Ministry's assessment report says that loss or damage to the existing ecosystem and their services is likely to affect the livelihood, food security, health and safety of local people. Availability of biological resources play an essential role in Nepal in addressing poverty, hunger, medical needs and food security in the rural area. So my dear students, in this video we have seen how the natural disaster like earthquake affect the